Best free VPNs for streaming in the US. So the first one is Proton VPN. Open a web browser on your PC and search for Proton VPN. Now click on the first link that appears. On the website, you will clearly see the option for downloads. Select the version and start installing. Proton VPN is one of the few truly unlimited free VPNs, meaning there's no data cap even on the free plan. The second one is Winscribe. It offers 10 GB of free data per month, with different servers available in multiple locations including the US. It supports multiple streaming platforms and sometimes work with Netflix US, though not always consistently on the free plan. It also includes useful features like built-in ad blocking, firewall, and a customizable app. The speeds are solid for casual streaming and browsing. The third one is Tunnel Bear. It also has a free plan and gives you 2 GB of data per month. It's very beginner friendly with a simple, clean interface and easy server switching. It also offers US servers even on the free plan and is very secure with regular audits and a strong no logs policy. While the data cap makes it impractical for long-term heavy streaming, it's a great choice if you need something fast and easy. That's all for today. Thank you.